Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the appearance in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change the appearance in the DuckduckGo application enables you to personalize your browsing experience according to your preferences. Whether you prefer a light or dark theme, larger or smaller fonts, or different color schemes, customizing the appearance can make using the application more comfortable and visually appealing for you. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open DuckduckGo application. Well, after that open any website you want. And then for the next step, simply tap this icon. Okay, select all settings option. And then again select appearance section. Well, and now you can set up the appearance of this application as you want. Start from scheme, font style, font size, page width, background color, title color, visited title color, and many others. And you can customize it till you feel more comfortable with it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the appearance in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.